Hi, today I want to show you how to bring your own colors to Veezoo so that you can use your own corporate theme, your corporate identity within Veezoo. So let me jump to Veezoo. You can see it's kind of styled in the default Veezoo theme with the dark blue and these kind of chart colors. And if you ask questions like how many customers by generation and segment, that's what we've got as a result. Now, if I head to Veezoo admin as an admin user, we see this place here where I can actually define my theme. And because it's holiday season, I found this kind of palette that fits well, and I can just start copying here those values over and say that the primary background color is this dark red. The secondary, actually I want this to be gold. The follow-up, the chat icon background we can leave, and on the chart color we can first use this kind of red here. We also use the green, and last but not least the gold again. You can already see here the preview how it's going to look. I saved it, and now if I refresh here Veezoo, you can see it's already comes in our new theme. And if I ask the question like how many customers by generation and segment, we get it with the updated chart colors. Now I could also supply my own logo to replace it here on the top left, or also this little chat icon.